Fire protest in West Kingston after man is fatally shot by a police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Angry residents staged a fire protest in West Kingston following reports that a man from the community was fatally shot by a member of the island security forces on Saturday. Full details about the incident are still unclear, but reports are that the incident took place about 10:54 p.m. As news of the shooting spread, residents took to the street and have since blocked several roads leading into the community.
It's just pure fire. And don't you say? It's up on the main, and if I turn on the next road, still pure fire. Then I'm telling people them now. I saw them go on from another. I saw them go on from another. But it can't shoot nobody right there, sir. You can't shoot nobody right there. Shoot the can't find bad man who want to come lick innocent people in the way.
A large contingent of police and soldiers are now in the area, trying to bring back some level of normalcy. Links 007 TV will have more report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.
And don't you say? It's up on the main, and if I turn on the next road, still pure fire. Then I'm telling people them now.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.